Well, we went the wrong way last week as we saw mortgage rates increase. It wasn't a ton, but we are starting this week a little bit higher than we started last week. So what happened last week? Well, it was a pretty quiet week actually for data. There wasn't really much going on. And unfortunately, when you don't have much data, that leaves Wall Street time to speculate or reflect on what happened the week before and speculate on what's coming the next week. And in this particular situation, the next week, which is this week, is inflationary reports that will tell us what is going to happen. In fact, all eyes will be on tariff-driven inflation or the lack of it. We will find out whether tariffs are really going to impact us from an inflationary standpoint on Tuesday with CPI and Wednesday with the PPI. PPI is the producer price index. Tuesday, CPI is the consumer price index. Will things be more expensive, significantly more expensive because of those tariffs? Thursday, we get a lot of data. It's less important. We get jobless claims, retail sales, and builder confidence. And then housing data on Friday with both housing starts and building permits. So there's lots of data, but Tuesday, Wednesday are going to be the big days. What's happening currently in rates? According to Mortgage News Daily, the 30-year is at 6.82%. The 15-year is at 6.03%. The FHA 30-year fix is at 6.35%. Did you know that we do construction loans? And they're priced out about the same as a regular conventional loan is. Now, that's unique in the broker community compared to banks. A lot of people call their bank. The bank wants you to put a lot of money down, and they typically don't have quite as an aggressive rate on their construction lending as the broker world does. So if you're thinking about building your own house, especially if you're tight on cash, or you just don't want to put a bunch of cash into it, your first call should be to Weber Mortgage, not your local bank. We'd be happy to talk you through that and all the details and what goes into it. We can walk you through the whole process. Because at Weber Mortgage, we are a family in the business of helping families.